Hi everyone. So what was I so excited about in that opening shot? Well, it's this. This is Pixy and it's the coolest little gadget I've seen in a very long time. So let's take a look at the unboxing. I ordered a new Pixy camera and it's a little drone and it came in this nice box and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is what it looks like. And I have an extra battery in there for it. So, because it does run out of battery pretty quick. All right, so this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. And this is the Pixy. It's very, very lightweight.
Camera.
It's a little camera.
Drone.
It's a drone.
Okay,
drone.
so there's the instructions, which I probably will never read. Oh, look, it's got a yellow, how cool is that? All right, so we're gonna plug this in. Probably will take a couple of hours to get up to full charge, and then we're gonna play with it. So I'm gonna put this in here. Looks like it goes this way. Oh yes.
First.
Nope, that's it right there.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna plug it in. All right, there it goes. Back later. So I come from a long line of early adopters and gadget lovers. My parents loved gadgets. I love gadgets. Unfortunately, Derrick likes gadgets too, which is why we have so many computers. But when I saw this on a TV ad recently, I just knew I had to have it. I had to have this. Fortunately, there was enough in the budget to cover the $230 price tag. And so I went ahead and ordered it. Now, unlike everything else in the universe, Pixy is not available on Amazon. You do have to go to pixy.com. I am not an affiliate. I don't have a discount code. I'm just telling you something I'm excited about. So the Pixy by itself is $229.99, or you can get the Pixy, a bumper, carrying strap, rechargeable battery, USB-C cable, and a dual battery charger with 2 additional batteries, which is what I got, for $249. It does charge with a USB, the USB to USB-C cord. So you can use a different cord. This is just the one that comes with it. After charging for a while, I went online to get some setup information. Now, it does come with an instruction book, but the print was so tiny, I couldn't even read it with glasses. So I tossed that out and went straight to YouTube and Snapchat for information. In addition to setup info, I found this video by the Snapchat developers. In it, they said their guiding star was they wanted you to think that you had Tinkerbell as your own personal videographer. And I have to admit that the very first time I turned it on and tried it, it was magic. I don't usually get surprised and delighted like this, and it's certainly never caught on camera when I am. But this was my honest reaction. Pixy was developed by the people at Snapchat, and the camera drone works in conjunction with the Snapchat app. Say that 3 times fast. And now don't worry, you don't have to be a Snapchatter. You don't have to put your pictures and video on Snapchat. That's just the vehicle that they use to move your pictures from the camera drone, Pixy itself. With your phone paired with the Pixy, it's an easy process to move the pictures from the drone onto your camera through the Snapchat app. From the Snapchat app, you can then move the pictures into your camera roll. You don't have to put your pictures and video onto Snapchat itself. It's just a vehicle that they use to get the pictures from the camera, the drone, to your phone. As drones go, it's not a DJI. Let's just be honest. It's not a Mavic. It doesn't go up 100 or more feet. It doesn't go out for 10 or minutes or so at a time. It's just a little camera drone. It just does what it does. But it's perfect for taking selfies and ussies and for seeing what's around you. And seriously, a few more iterations of this and Snapchat could give DJI a little run for their money unless DJI picks up on the idea of having a drone in your hand that just flies away and then comes right straight back. It's very cool. We're going to see in a minute. So the controls on Pixy look like this. There's off, standby, which is how you pair it with your phone. There is hover, reveal, orbit, and follow. And then there's favorites too, which I don't know much about yet. Let's talk about downsides. A couple of things that I see. First of all, there's no audio. This is just video only, which is the way it is with most drones. I haven't run into a drone yet that has audio on it, but This is no exception. There's no audio. However, because it's so close to you and you're not flying it far away, you kind of think, well, you maybe want to have some audio. I have figured out a way to do it, and I'll show you that in just a minute. It can be used indoors and outdoors, which is really cool. But again, if you want audio indoors, you are going to hear the whirring of the quadcopter. So just have to keep that in mind. Hi everyone. This is my new Pixy, and there's no audio on it, but we're testing to see if we can make it have some audio. So let's land and find out. I think there might be too much noise, but just checking. And one other thing, it's pretty lightweight. Like, it's about the size of a piece of bread maybe, and doesn't weigh much more than that. It's very, very light. And that means that in wind, it's gonna go right away. So you have to keep track of it. Fortunately, there is a find feature on it, and it will sound and it will flash when you activate that on your Snapchat app. So downsides, other than that, there's not many downsides. It's $230, comes with a battery and a USB cord, and then you can get the additional batteries. It comes also with a little bumper case sort of thing that I'm not going to use. In any case, let's go outside and see what we can do. Okay, so to get started, it's already paired now to my phone and to the Snapchat app, so I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to do is turn it to the first flight mode, which is going to be hover. We'll turn it to hover, turn it around. The camera is facing me, and I'm going to press the button. And there we are. The white light is blinking, which means that Pixy is recording. So this is just hover mode, and it will also follow me because it's looking at my face. So now I'm going to put my hand out and it will land. And that's hover. I call this a droney. It flies up and away, and it flies up and away, takes video, and then it comes back down. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Press the button once. Look at the camera. And there it goes. And it hovers for a minute. And then it will fly away. Bye, Pixy. And it goes up. And it will hover for a few minutes. And then I put my hand back out. It comes back. And then it lands. Isn't that fun? This one's follow. So I'm going to walk that way, and you can see it follow me. Here we go, Pixy. Okay, there's one more mode, and this one is orbit. So we're going to watch this, and you may or may not be able to see it in this camera, but you will in the shot. So now it goes out and goes up. Not so much up, but it's going around. You can see it right there, going all the way around. And then it will come back. Put my hand out. There you have it. This is just one of the coolest things I have ever seen, and I am super excited to show it to you. I have no affiliation. I don't have a discount code. I wish it has something to, I don't. Just my recommendation that this is a very cool little piece of equipment to add to your stable of camera gear. And for $230 and a whole lot of fun, I highly recommend it. So we plan to use this. You're going to see a lot more Pixy videos in upcoming videos that we put out. So that's going to do it for this time. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click like and ring the bell to get notified. And until next time, Restless friends, you take care.